So we're back in the new boat workshop stroke summer house. We ain't got any room in the garage, so we're cracking on in the summer house. So this is what I'm going to be doing. I'll do the shower tray, which I took off the boat on the last video, and I'm going to customise it and make it into my own with the fiberglass. I've got all this big boy fiberglass stuff to do a few sort of layers on it, probably 3 or 4 layers. So I'll show you the first layer. I won't bore you with the second and the third and the fourth. I'll show you when I'm like sanding it down and painting that with gel coat or flow coat, what they call it. It is coming tomorrow, so hopefully that will be here. So the reason why I put these battens on here is just to keep it in shape for when I took it home, so I take it in the car. So once I've got some of this fiberglass on and strengthening some of these places, then I'll take it off, and then I can just go over them bits as we go. So I'll get a bit of strengthening at first. Probably put a bit on the back here to get all that strengthened up in there, so it'll keep a nice shape. And yeah, so you won't see obviously any of this because that'll be all fiberglassed over. So the idea of the actual thing is to go in the boat like that, so all the water will run down into this bit here, into the drain down pipe, which then gets sucked out for a pump and then out the boat. So like this is the plan. So because this is higher up here, I'm really looking at something like a wooden, I'm going to make it like a wooden shower mat, slat one. I don't know if you've seen them before, but you put like little slats across this whole section here, so then the water will run through the pieces of wood in the gaps, and then you can just take that bit out. You can squeege it out if you need to. Probably pretty much dry itself, to be honest. When the boat's going up like this, that'll run back into that corner anyway, because that's the angle was running at. So yeah, we're going to crack on. I'm going to stop talking now. Let's get cracking on with this this fiberglass build. We'll see how we get on. Right, let's go. So I've run out of resin, so I've just got some more. About to go and get some. It took me an hour, a little round trip. So I'll run out one here, but it's starting to take there. It's starting to really come. It's really strong at this side. Really like that already, just on one go. So yeah, I was gonna just fiberglass this back bit to keep it nice and strong on the back here. But then I'm just gonna do this bit. I can do this bit now. Take this batten off and do that bit. So we're gonna go over that side and the other side to redo that bit. I want to get everything done on the first coat, like I say, like I show you, and then I'll just crack on and do probably 3 or 4 more coats off camera so you can see it. But yeah, it's coming up really nice, really strong, really good. So yeah, it'll be good. So once I get the other layers on and sand it down, it looks pretty cool. So let's crack on, get the other side done, and then we'll get this bit over here done, and then take the rest of that batten off, and we should be half there. So let's go. So there we have it. We have done 4 layers now. It's about 4 layers, and I've strengthened some of this bit up here. I've also got some extra down in these bits here. I've just cut all the edges off as well and got that all off nicely there. And on the back there, looks good. It's all strengthened up here. It's quite solid, to be fair. So what I'm going to do now is just give it a stand down, give it a smooth off, and hopefully get the flow coat on, and we should be almost there. I might probably have to do a few coats. I've never used this stuff before, so we'll see what it's like. So there you go, it's all smoothed off. I want to see how it goes first before I rub it down again. I'm going to give it a first coat to see what it's like and see how smooth I can get it. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect because you're not going to see none of this. What I'm going to do now is get this slow coat on, and 230 litres I'm going to do first, and some of this, which is about 4.5 millilitres, and then we'll give it a little go to see what it's going to be like covering wise. So let's do it. So fast forward, we're now back at the boat. Now we're going to put this shower tray in. I have done another coat on it, but I have had to smooth it off a little bit. So what I'm going to do is get it in the boat, and then after I've got it all in, because I need to get all the battens in and get all the shape where I'm going to put all the sink and stuff. So I'm going to get cracking on with that, and then I'm going to come back and then paint it at last. So at the moment, as I'll show you, we are rerouting these pipes. So that managed pipe from the shower tray, which is obviously up that corner there. So it'll come down here. This is the outlet bit. So that will go onto this pump here. So that will end up going on that bit there. Yeah, that's it, that bit there. So this little bit of pipe will then go onto the end of the shower tray. And then you push a button, which will have a little switch, probably up here somewhere. So you can just push it and that will just drain it away. And then that will come out of here and then go into here. And then out this one and then out the boat. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. I've got to reroute the wastage pipe for the toilet, which was originally coming through, where has it gone? That little hole up there, which I've now pushed through. No, sorry, there, as you can see a little bit of it there. Yeah, I'm going to push that, I pushed that through, so it's going to end up coming inside, as you can see there, that pipe there, the white one, it'll come down there, and it's going to come down the bottom of there. There's a little hole at the bottom of that, you can just see down there. And then I can run it down there, and then the toilet's going to go here, and then there'll be another water pipe that will come down through there as well, connect to the toilet. So that's your water pipe, and that's your tank, which is obviously looks like that down there, the white one. But that's the other side. So that will then feed the toilet with water. So that's what I'm going to do, get this shower tray in, and then I'll start sort of getting all the battens made up and see how I'm going to do it. So let's crack on. That pipe's in. Also put this bit of wood in there just to support that there, because you're not going to see none of this. It's going to be behind there, so I'll be able to just put that on there like that, bolt it through, put the pipes through the other side, and then it'll run up there into the corner with the little shower head. I'm not going to put the other one on there because the pipe's too long and I've got to modify it. I thought I was going to have this one up there, but I'm not going to bother. I'm going to have this one up there instead. I have this one up in the corner, because then that'll go right up there. I'll be able to get it right up there, and that'll be able to come this way. But I think you can do it, and you can take it off as well. I know I was going to have both, but I'm not going to bother. I'm just going to have that one up there. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. It's going to be decent. Sink here. I'm going to build up like a false wall here. Inspection hatch in that corner there, so I can sort the pipes out if I need to. And then yeah, it's going to be good. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is just start putting on the insulation in these little gaps, and then I can put the ply on, and then that sort of side's nearly done pretty much. And then I'll come around and get this insulation. I've got some thick insulation to go in there, and then yeah, it's good. And then I can start sort of getting this toilet in shape. Right, let's go it. So that is in the video. I also just want to say that I've been using wood preserver on all the wood that I've been putting in the boat. I haven't shown you that, but that's what I've been doing. So hopefully on the next one we'll get all that paneling on, and then you can see how it's sort of developing. So anyway, so like and subscribe if you haven't already. Get yourself involved, and I'll see you next time.